This is a bear. This is a table. This is a box. This is a bear under or below the table. This is a bear above or over the table. This is a bear beside or next to the table. This is a bear in front of the table. This is a bear behind the table. This is a bear on the table. This is a bear on the box. This is a bear in the box. This is a bear near the box. This is a bear far from the box. This is a piece of paper. This is the top of the paper. This is the bottom of the paper. This is a classroom. This is the front of the classroom. This is the back of the classroom.